Welcome to Agripenta's studio. Imagine stepping into a home where everything feels connected, where light flows freely from one space to another, where the living room, dining area, and kitchen blend seamlessly into a single, harmonious environment. There are no harsh boundaries, no visual interruptions, just openness, balance, and a sense of calm. This is the beauty of open-plan interior design. But here's something most people don't realize. An open space without thoughtful design can quickly feel chaotic, empty, or even overwhelming. So how do you create a space that feels both open and intentional? Stylish, yet functional? In this video, we'll explore 10 smart interior design tips that will help you transform any open-plan layout into a space that is not only beautiful, but truly livable. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button to support this channel. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming content. Let's jump into the video. 1. Define zones without walls. The first secret to a successful open-plan space is learning how to define zones without using walls. Even though the space is open, each area still needs a clear purpose. You can achieve this by using visual cues. A large area rug can anchor the living room. A dining table placed under a statement light instantly creates a dedicated dining zone. And a kitchen island naturally separates cooking from social areas. Furniture placement becomes your invisible architecture. When done right, each space feels distinct, yet still connected. 2. Use a cohesive color palette. In open-plan interiors, color is what ties everything together. Without walls to separate spaces, inconsistent colors can quickly create visual chaos. Instead, choose a cohesive palette, typically 2 to 4 main tones. Soft neutrals like beige, white, and gray work beautifully as a foundation. Then layer subtle accents to add depth and personality. By repeating these tones across furniture, walls, and decor, you create a seamless visual flow that feels calm and intentional. 3. Invest in statement lighting. Lighting plays a much bigger role than most people think. In an open-plan space, it doesn't just illuminate, it defines. A set of pendant lights above the dining table creates intimacy. A floor lamp in the living area adds warmth. Under-cabinet lighting in the kitchen enhances both function and atmosphere. Layering different types of lighting allows each zone to have its own identity, while still feeling part of the whole. Four. Create a strong focal point. Every open-plan space needs a focal point, a visual anchor that grounds the design. Without it, the space can feel directionless. This could be a large, inviting sofa, a textured feature wall, a modern fireplace, or even a bold piece of artwork. The key is to give the eye somewhere to land. Once you establish a focal point, the rest of the design naturally falls into place. Five. Balance furniture proportions. Scale is everything in open-plan design. Furniture that's too small can make the space feel empty and disconnected, while oversized pieces can overwhelm the layout. The goal is balance. Choose furniture that fits the scale of the room and complements surrounding elements. Think of your space as a composition. Each piece should feel proportionate and intentional. 6. Maintain visual flow. Flow is what makes an open-plan space feel effortless. There should be a natural movement from one area to another. Avoid blocking pathways with furniture. Keep transitions smooth and intuitive. And always consider how people will move through the space. When flow is done right, the entire home feels more comfortable, functional, and welcoming. Seven. Use multifunctional furniture. In modern living, flexibility is key. Open-plan spaces benefit greatly from furniture that serves more than one purpose. A storage ottoman can reduce clutter. An extendable dining table adapts to different occasions. A modular sofa can be rearranged as needed. These smart solutions allow your space to evolve with your lifestyle without sacrificing style. Eight. Add texture for depth. Without walls, texture becomes essential for adding visual interest. Layering different materials brings warmth and dimension to the space. Soft fabrics, natural wood, sleek metals, and stone surfaces all work together to create a rich sensory experience. Texture prevents the space from feeling flat and makes it feel more inviting. 9. Keep clutter under control. One of the biggest challenges of open-plan living is visibility. Everything is on display. That's why organization is so important. Incorporate hidden storage solutions. Use built-in cabinets. And keep decor minimal but meaningful. A clean space doesn't just look better, it also feels better. Ten. Connect the space with design elements. To truly unify an open-plan layout, you need to repeat key design elements. This could be materials, shapes, colors, or finishes. For example, the same wood tone used in the kitchen can appear in the living room furniture. Or similar shapes can be echoed in lighting and decor. These subtle connections create a sense of harmony throughout the entire space. Before you design anything, take a moment to think about how you live. Do you entertain guests often? Do you work from home? Do you need quiet areas for relaxation? A beautiful space means nothing if it doesn't support your daily life. The best open-plan designs are those that reflect the people who live in them. Closing. Open-plan interior design is more than just removing walls. It's about creating a home that feels open yet intentional, spacious yet comfortable, minimal yet full of life. By applying these 10 smart tips, you can transform any open space into a home that feels balanced, functional, and truly inspiring. Because in the end, great design isn't about how a space looks, it's about how it makes you feel. And when everything flows perfectly, your home becomes more than just a place to live. It becomes a place to truly belong. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. And make sure to turn on the notification bell so every new upload shows up right away. See you in the next video. Stay inspired.